Dan Moskal here, and we are looking at some WordPress tutorials, and what we're going to do in this is look through one of the menus and go ahead and we'll either create or just edit one of the existing menus. One of the things we're working on here is we want to change this, and if you're just catching this video, we have a whole bunch of WordPress tutorials on our YouTube channel, so please subscribe, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below over to the other videos for that. But what we want to do is we have currently who we are, and then we have a connect with us, and we just did that here in the last video with the social media stuff. But we're going to go ahead and take off having this RSS feed, the Twitter and the Facebook, because we have those right here. And this is going to be using our menus along with using our menus within our footers over here. So go over to your WordPress account. We're just going to go ahead and do this from the dashboard. So the very first thing we want to do is go over to Appearance. We're going to go down, scroll down to Menus, and we're going to click on that. And we can create a new menu if we want, and we'll even just go ahead and do that. We'll just say New Menu, and we're going to say Footer. We're going to click Create Menu. Now, one of the things we want is we want our About page, we want our Contact Us, and we want our Privacy Policy, and we also want to have our Home page. We're going to go ahead and write Home in there, just at the bottom, or at the top rather. So there's a few different ways we can do this. We just titled it Footer though, and that's an important thing to remember. So we can click right here, Contact Us, Privacy Policy, About Us, and then we also want to do our home page. So the first thing we'll do is click Add to Menu, because that's 3 of our 4. Now we can do View All. There's Home. We can click Add to Menu. If for some reason you want another link that isn't on there, you can always just paste in the URL and then the link text. This is actually the title of what's going to appear. And we'll go ahead and just add this so we can get a look at it, and then I'll go in and change it. And then you can also add your categories over here as well. So to rearrange your menu, we can just grab these. So for example, we have Home, About Us, Privacy Policy, Contact Us. Let's say we want the Contact Us to show up above it, above the Privacy Policy, and then we have our title appear. Let's go ahead and click Save Menu. Now we saved that menu, but it's not going to show up right away because we still need to do one more step. Manage locations. Now this is actually within your theme, and since we want ours at the footer, we want ours to appear directly below at the bottom of this stuff. We're going to actually do that using the widgets. Your theme location for our theme is talking about these menu items up here. And so we're going to put that in our footer number 1, and we'll just go ahead and delete this because that's what's showing up right now. But what we want to do is grab the custom menu. Here we go. Custom menu, we want to drag it over to where we want it, and for our example we want it in footer number 1, but we don't want the second menu. We want the footer because that's what we just created. What we want to do is click Save. Now let's go and refresh our website. If you have your super cache, please turn it off for a moment. But once we hit it actually didn't. Let's visit a page and see if it showed up right. 'Cause sometimes you're going to do things wrong. Some of this stuff, it just requires you to play with a little bit. Yeah, here we go. So title appear, Privacy Policy, Contact Us, About Us. So we'll probably delete and tweak some of this stuff just slightly. But this is Dan Moskal. If you're interested in SEO, we're creating a free report here. We're going to be giving it away probably Monday the 27th. But visit danmoskaluniversity.com. Sign up for our free newsletter. We have a ton of stuff both on our YouTube channel and here at danmoskaluniversity.com. SEO is something we've been doing since 2006, and a lot of these SEO experts are feeding you a lot of BS when it comes to SEO and true search engine optimizations. There's been a lot of changes, but things haven't changed that much. You can also find any one of our books. We have 5 now available at Amazon, iTunes, Barnes & Noble, including our most recent book, Video Marketing for Entrepreneurs. We're also at Audible as well. And like I said, I'll put a link in the description below to our full WordPress tutorial playlist. We're really going to be digging in and peeling back some of the layers of search engine optimization here coming up the next week, and even past that because it takes a little bit of time, and there's a quite a few different things when it comes to SEO and good search engine optimization, and unfortunately doing some of these things wrong, it doesn't matter what you do right if you miss a couple of the principles and fundamentals when it comes to search engine optimization. This is Dan Moskal. If you have any specific comments, questions, or concerns, please let me know. Please like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit danmoskaluniversity.com. We want to give you that free report, and we're doing a whole bunch of training events here, including a WordPress event here probably a little over a month out. We're going to go ahead and create a brand new WordPress site and go through all the steps from A to Z, and we're planning on probably doing that as a full live event, training event, and I'd like to really kind of give you the ins and outs of this stuff. So please visit danmoskaluniversity.com and sign up for our free newsletter, and we'll send you that free report here coming on Monday. And check out some other videos on our YouTube channel. We've been doing this stuff for quite a while, so looking forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day and night.